Let's take a look at a quick introduction to the SUMIF function. And to do that, let's say you've compiled some data. For the last 2 weeks, you wanted to track your coffee intake. And at the conclusion of those 2 weeks, this is what that data looks like. And because you don't want to bother doing mental math, you want a function that will sum this data by day, so that you can measure your total coffee budget for those 2 weeks. And fortunately, Excel has a formula for this. Input equals SUMIF, the range to match your criteria, which is the day of the week. Then your input for that particular day of the week. And finally, the sum range. Press Enter, and Excel will search the first array for the day Monday, and then sum the corresponding values in the second array, which is a very convenient way to organize data quickly. As a quick example, if we fix the references, copy the remaining days of the week, paste them below our input, and then paste the formula down as well, Excel will do all of the hard work for us. So why is this useful? You will find that this formula is used pretty frequently in financial models to sum monthly data into quarters, and corresponding years. All it requires is a little structure at the top of your model, so that you can match time periods with the corresponding values. So once more, quickly, the way this works is that Excel searches the first array you provide for your criteria input, and then sums the corresponding values in the second array, which in this case returns the value 3. Now the question is, what if you want one formula that can pull this data dynamically for multiple columns? So to cups of coffee, I have added a naturally correlated statistic, bathroom breaks, which are calculated using the max function to include a minimum of 1 break per day, or a bathroom break count equivalent to the number of cups of coffee consumed divided by 2 and rounded to the nearest whole number. And I hate to leave you hanging, but we're going to explore this in the next video, titled Dynamic Column Reference, with information slightly more relevant to financial models. And then you can come back and add your own bathroom breaks.